Need to import your WhatsApp contacts? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily import your WhatsApp contact. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application WhatsApp. You have to make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you're in the home page of WhatsApp, click on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will see tons of different options. Click on New Contact. Now in this page, you have to enter the name and the number of the person you are going to save. Once you have entered, you have to toggle on this button, Sync Contact to Phone. Click on Open Settings. Once you're inside the settings, head over to Contacts. After that, make sure to set the settings to full access. Once enabled, all of your contact will be imported to your device and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.